Welding large workpieces demands high precision, complex setups, and skilled welders. Challenges the whole industry is facing. The intelligent welding workstation transforms welding from experience-driven to intelligence-driven, reshaping the way efficiency, precision, and visibility are achieved in production. To weld precisely, you must first see clearly. Equipped with 3D vision and AI seam tracking, the robot gains the eyes of a skilled welder. Its cantilever structure provides a wide working envelope, easily handling welding tasks on oversized workpieces, even those over 2 meters wide. No blueprints needed. As the 3D laser scanner sweeps across the workpiece, it instantly calculates point cloud data, builds the model, and pinpoints weld positions and angles. The real-time arc tracking system corrects deviations automatically, ensuring stable welds even with assembly errors or heat deformation. When welding becomes visualized, even complex processes become clear and controllable. Through a digital twin system, welding status is synchronized in real time, one-to-one. High efficiency doesn't come from faster hands. It comes from smarter systems. With 3D model import and offline programming, the workstation automatically identifies weld seams, plans paths, and matches welding parameters. Even new operators can achieve high-precision results. From shipbuilding to steel structure fabrication, it reduces reliance on skilled welders, enables one person to manage multiple stations, and ensures consistent welding quality, saving labor and boosting productivity. From welding skills to welding intelligence, the intelligent welding workstation makes welding smarter and production easier.